Okay, gentlemen, so here's the flight plan. Now let's keep the laughter to a minimum. I know this is not to scale. Both shuttles will take off Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. Now, 67 minutes later, you're going to dock with the Russian space station to meet cosmonaut Andropov, who will refuel the shuttles with liquid O2. That's your fuel. Then you'll release and take a 60-hour trip toward the moon. Now, we only have one shot of landing on this rock, and that's precisely when the asteroid passes by the moon. We'll then use lunar gravity and burn your thrusters, slingshotting you around the moon, coming up behind the asteroid. You'll be upward of 11 Gs.
Yeah, I remember this one. It's where the coyote sat his ass down in a slingshot, and he strapped himself to an Acme rocket. Is that what we're doing here?
Rocket.
No, really, because it didn't work out so well for the coyote area.
No, actually, we have a lot better rockets than the coyote. Now, when you've finished your Roadrunner thrust move, you'll be moving at 22,500 miles per hour, coming around behind the asteroid, where we're hoping that the tail debris will be cleared by the moon's gravity. And you'll land right here. That's it.
We got separate land sites for each team. Softest parts of the rock as we can figure. At NASA, we don't take chances. We double up on everything. First team that hits 800 feet wins. Now, this rock is big, it's dense, it's got some gravity. You can walk around, but use your thrusters so you can work easier.